What's going on, everybody? Aaron here with Attention to Detail inside HQ here in Highland, Indiana. We are doing the final touches on this Maserati MC20 Cielo. This one is insane. We did some carbon fiber PPF on the mirrors, the rockers, and the inlets here where the air intakes are on the quarter panels. And we did a multi-stage paint correction on the rear of the vehicle and ceramic coated it in our Fireball FX88, which came out flawless. Now the whole front came in with paint protection film already. Of course, any supercar needs paint protection film immediately. But we took it a step further by putting custom carbon fiber paint protection film down the sides, rockers, the mirror caps, the mirror stalks, and of course the quarter panel air intakes. Now, this vehicle started off with a bath. We brought the vehicle in, we did a full foam wash, removed all the maintenance, dirt, and grime, we cleaned everything, the rims, the tires, the wheel barrels, the wheel wells, the brake calipers, all of the brake dust. Then we took a detail brush, every single crack and crevice, around all of the door jambs, inside and outside, everything, top to bottom, back to front. We detail brushed inside the cowl, around all of the vents and the custom carbon fiber emblems, you name it. We detail brushed everything. After all the detail brushing, we did an iron decontamination on the back half of the vehicle to remove any iron particles, any brake dust, and road grime. And then we did a clay bar treatment, which removed any embedded contamination that's in the paint. Stuff you can't really see with your eyes, but you can almost feel it with your hands and you can hear it. If you put a plastic bag on your hand and you rub it all down the vehicle, you can feel it and hear that embedded contamination. Now, after all of the iron decon and the clay barring, we brought it down to our custom PPF shop where we did the carbon fiber paint protection film. And then we brought it back here to do the multi-stage paint correction. We started off by doing a rotary cut to remove any deeper swirls, deeper scratches, fading, oxidation. Then we did our medium cut to refine those swirls even more and get that oxidation removed in the finish. And then we did our final polish to give that paint just that mirror-like, just candy-like, glossy reflection. We are talking better than showroom. Then we put on our Fireball FX88, which is a ceramic coating infused with graphene on everything. We also did our Fireball Aegis on all of the trims. We also did our Fireball Talon on the rims, and all of the windows got coated in Fireball. Everything top to bottom, back to front, completely coated on the Cielo. Maserati MC20 Cielo FX88 custom carbon fiber paint protection film. This vehicle is ready for the road. Guys, if you want to get a quote, reach out, come on in, stop by our shop. We give free quotes all day, every 30 minutes. Stop by, we'll be more than happy to take care of you. Call us up, book a consultation. We'll walk you through the shop, meet you, shake your hand, show you the entire process, give you a tour of everything. And if you want to schedule, we can get you on the books. Right now, we're about 2.5 months booked out, so it's very important. If this is something that you want to get done, I would recommend it now. This Maserati has waited to come in and get this work done. You don't want to wait. Give us a call at 219-533-8783 or visit me on my website, www.attn2detail.info. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you liked the video, give it a like, a subscribe, enjoy. Maserati MC20 Cielo, thanks so much. Shout out to John. If you need anything, call us. We're more than happy to help. Paint protection film, window tinting, paint corrections, Icon Rock Clear, ceramic coatings, Fireball ceramic coatings, undercoatings, custom vinyl wraps, you name it, we can do it. Thanks so much. Aaron, out.